Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. So, friends, yes, we were talking about Mahadasha yesterday, and people are very fond of Navmansh and why to take people's name. I am also very fond of Navmansh. So, basically, whenever I see a chart, I always try to coordinate this all planets, Mahadasha, everything with Navamsha chart. Navamsha chart I always feel is very near to my heart. It is not that everybody else do not love Navamsha chart or do not want to read, but it is something like what I have learned till now, or what I have experienced till now, is that out of all your three charts, that is your ascendant chart, your moon chart and your Navamsha chart, any of one chart is exactly fitting into your character, into your lifestyle, into your events, or into yourself. That means you are that chart. Sometimes when we prefer to see lagna chart, and then we say that yeah, exactly, events are happening as per planetary position, or then no need to do BTR. Why to do birth time rectification when things are going correctly? One will say that whenever I am assessing my moon chart, I am finding each and every event is fulfilling like anything. Then another one will say that when I am seeing my Navmansh Kundali, I feel that this is only my birth chart, and that is what is happening with me. Till now, since I started learning or started reading charts, and when I saw all the charts, see, I learned many charts to read. But whenever I read my Navamsha chart, Navmansh Kundali, I always relate my events, myself, and my capabilities, my caliber, my drawbacks, my good things, everything I see in my Navmansh Kundali. And then till then I have started attaching my whole life cycle towards my Navmansh Kundali. That doesn't mean that you should do the same, but that do mean that you just have to take out your own personal chart out of this, whether it is ascendant or Chandra Kundali or Navmansh Kundali, and then this will definitely make you least run after your birth time rectification, because BTR, birth time rectification, is totally based on your life events. It is like 2 degree more or 2 degree less. I am born in Cancer ascendant, but I have all traits of Kanya Rashi, or I have all traits of Leo Rashi. Then maybe my event happened after 4 months. As per Dasha, it could have happened before 4 months. So many things we see. But just try to understand, your date of birth is same. Your moon is not going to change on that day unless and until moon is in last degrees. On that time only moon will change. Otherwise, if you are born on say today's day in Adra Nakshatra, in Gemini sign, then till tomorrow Gemini sign is going to remain. So till tomorrow, as many children will born, all are going to born in Gemini sign only, unless and until Gemini sign goes up till 29 degrees. Okay, then you have to consider that if it is in Gandanta, like if it is going in Cancer sign, after the Gemini whole cycle is over, Punarvasu to Charan is also over of Gemini, and then Cancer sign will start, and then it is the 29 degrees point something something, and some softwares are showing 0 degrees, and then he will or she will say that no, I have Gemini moon, and some another software will say no, I have Cancer moon in my chart. But my dear friends, in such situations, you just have to see that if it is a Cancer sign for you, then already 30 degrees you have spent in Gemini sign. So 110% you are supposed to get all the traits of Gemini sign. Each and everything you will have about Gemini sign. And it is just entered into Cancer sign. So definitely you will be highly emotional, but at the same time you will be practical, and you will be mentally sometimes very unstable or sometimes very stable personality. That depends on nakshatra what you are born. So you will be having traits of both the sign. So in that case, just a single thing you can do, you can just put Cancer sign as your moon sign in ascendant, and then you can read a chart. You can just put a Gemini sign in your ascendant and you can read a chart, and then you decide what is more fitting for you. Same way in Navamansha also you can do the same thing. In Navamansha also, see what I have started. I was supposed to talk about Mahadasha and I started about BTR. But you know why I spoke this topic? Because so many people, I got multiple mails about this, that whether I do BTR or whether I will be doing their BTR. You know, BTR is something, I will be very honest with you, I don't believe in BTR, because nobody knows your exact time. Even if you are seeing when your child is born, we are all learned one, and then I am seeing 6:20 a.m. it is, so definitely I will be writing 6:20. But somewhere else in some another city it will be 6:22 or 6:24 or 6:26. So 20 minutes either more or less, everywhere difference is going to happen, but moon is going to remain the same. So my dear friends, please do not run after BTR. No doubt this is hope which is keeping us alive, that once I do BTR, then my planetary alignment, planetary position will be changed in Navamsha chart, in D60 chart also, because 4 minutes change also, 2 minutes change also, 1 minute change also makes difference in Varga charts, you know. So, but be simple, you know, be very precise in all these things. The more you will widen your angle, especially in these things, you have to widen your angle in learning the things, not in making yourself confused that I am born in this time or I am born in this time. Sometimes in Rahu Ketu also same things happen. So my Rahu happens to be in 7th house when I am seeing in my software. Many people say me that when I am doing the readings, and then in my Parashara light, I see no, I have Parashara 7.0 and now 9.0 I am using. It is coming in 8th house of chart or 7th house of chart, right? So then they become panic. How this is happening? Then rather than being panic, you just see what are the events happened in your life. You are the best judge to decide that. You cannot tell minimized events to anyone, because it needs a lot of time, energy, and then that BTR can be done. That also no guarantee. That also no guarantee. See, I am not opposing that BTR is wrong or something. I am just putting my own views out of it. So friends, apart from that, the topic which I wanted to speak today was regarding our Mahadasha Lord in Navmansh Kundali. So whenever we are seeing Mahadasha Lord in Navmansh Kundali, okay, I'll make second part of this and I will speak over there. Okay. So by that time, stay tuned with Planet Soul Astrology, and as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho, may all be blessed.